Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Wanted to go over the intensive workshop that'll start in the next week. Here's the title, and now for something completely different for an intensive live workshop. It's a new mix of discretionary and automation using MotiveWave, the trading platform. A couple of challenges I'm sure you're going through. Going to go down a rabbit hole, probably waste your time. Then you ask yourself, does the strategy work that you're working on? Can you back test it to see optimal potential um, instruments that actually will work with the strategy? And the other thing is, it might work with quick analysis, but will it give you optimal instrument return? So part of what a lot of people go through is they got a trading idea, and we're going to talk about that towards the end of this presentation with a potential solution. So when you're working on a strategy, usually you have three options. You trade with automation, you have a discretionary trading based on hunches, or you could use a hybrid of automation and discretionary. Then the next question is, what platform are you going to be trading with? MotiveWave has its benefits. It's quite easy to implement and has also many strategies or indicators and strategies with the automation. You also need to consider your asset class and your broker and your account size. You have to factor in what instruments you want to trade, what style of trading you want to do, is it mean reversion versus trend following. You also have to figure out that some of these answers you come up with can limit the functionality of the platform as well as your trading. And you also have to understand that your account size or your limitation of your account size can limit your overall asset class selection or asset selection as well. That's of course including something like the futures asset class. Next up, programming. Programming is a pretty well new modern way of trading. There's no doubts about that. So you have to ask yourself, how advanced are you? If you don't know any programming, are you willing to learn? What languages do you want to focus on? Like, for example, Python, Java. And also, there's other people out there that just want to build bots 100% with no platform. Now, here's what the ultimate goals we usually want. We want the quickest path to success. We also want to be able to know how to build a working trading strategy. When I mean working, that's consistently profitable. And we also need to find ways to automate the strategy with programming. And sometimes can you automate the same strategy but with no programming? If so, what are the pros and cons of each option? Now, over the next 5 to 6 days, these are the topics we'll cover if you do intend to join this intensive workshop. First is, what do we do? What will you learn? So the first thing I like to do with MotiveWave at least is use harmonic scans versus Elliott waves. And also there's an important aspect of MotiveWave called components, all the popular uh, styles of trading, trend, lines, Fibonacci, and so forth that you can use as part of your analysis on particular instruments. We can also use alerts to optimize the automation with virtually no programming. And of course, we want to look at some studies. As I said, there's over 270 with source code. So we'll do an overview of those. The second session, what I'm looking to do is to look at how you can save a combination of studies and create templates from that. Also, you can apply those quite easily to new charts that you want to look at. And of course, from there, you can also apply watch lists. On the third day, what we want to look at is to how you can visually implement your trading idea. And I stress visually, not programming, but visually, just by charting and technical analysis indicators and components and all that stuff that I mentioned already. So here you can evaluate subset of trading ideas. You need to know all your trading ideas. And can this be done fast? If so, save yourself potentially months, weeks, maybe even years, so you prevent yourself from going down those rabbit holes. Now, the other thing is we got to obviously focus on the studies and strategies. Ultimately, for most traders, they will need to eventually get to some point of programming, 100% of their automation. I mean, things are going to get a lot crazier down the line with more instruments to choose from, and they'll be moving faster because of it. There's also, as I said, 275 studies to look at. So what we'll do is we'll look at a simple study and a strategy, for example, the RSI or relative strength indicator, and then be able to showcase the benefit of backtesting and walk forward using the optimization feature in MotiveWave. The idea here is to show that you don't need to be dependent on programming and you can all do it within the platform. Lastly, which is new to this presentation, is being able to import a variety of stocks. A few days ago, I was able to import over 24,000 US stocks into the platform. Show you how to do that. It can be done also from any country as long as you have data to the data feed. And you can also screen any region using technical indicators or studies, as MotiveWave calls them. So here's your requirements I'd strongly recommend. I'd probably look at getting at least a standard edition of MotiveWave, but the trading version is probably preferred for live trading. Also, you can also look at the content of the DVD that I put out to sort of get introduced into what will be covered in this workshop, which will be, of course, more in depth. Also, as I mentioned earlier, if you have a trading idea, and a lot of people do, if you want your trading idea to get evaluated in one of the sessions, all you got to do is submit your trading rules, and as soon as you can, the sooner you can do it, submit all your trading rules and logic with the parameters, settings, and the rationale why you're choosing these, and it needs to be submitted before starting this workshop. And here's how it will work. Out of these $200 bonuses that I mentioned here, be giving you a Quant Elite membership, which is really a $9.97 value. Also, I have broken out the Quant Analytics membership into a separate membership at $97 a month. So that's 12 times 97 at $1,200 a month. Plus, you get lifetime access to our private chat server. Now, I'm anticipating that the space is going to be very limited. There's going to be an initial huge discount that we've already announced at half price. And if you want to get in on this, please, please, please get in touch right away to get your discount and before it ends in the next few days. Talk to you later. Oh, also, if you want to get in on it, all you got to do is, if you're interested, get some free trading books and on technology, obviously. And you can join the email list on the announcement, and that's at quantlabs.net/book. And then you just fill out all your information. Again, that's quantlabs.net/book to get in on the action. Thanks for watching.